Whether you're designing the smallest components or the largest structures, efficiency and precision are vital. Professionals worldwide rely on an intuitive, powerful tool like ZWCAD to bring their visions to life. From drafting 2D floor plans to working with complex 3D models, ZWCAD delivers the performance and accuracy you can trust. ZWCAD is designed with versatility in mind, seamlessly adapting to architects, designers, and engineers. Its familiar interface allows both experienced professionals and newcomers to CAD to start creating quickly. A flexible workspace including stackable panels, movable ribbons, and free-floating windows keeps you productive. Plus, with robust BWG compatibility and support for many other formats, collaboration is effortless. Performance is key. By leveraging multi-core processing, ZWCAD excels on large, complex projects, ensuring your team can work without slowdowns. Innovative, time-saving tools like FlexiBlock, Smart Dimension, and Smart Plot automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and boost project efficiency. And with over 400 applications and open APIs, you can customize ZWCAD to fit your unique needs. Precision matters too. Optimized for precise 2D drafting and realistic 3D visualization, ZWCAD ensures seamless alignment between the virtual and physical worlds to reduce errors. Our mission is empowering sustainable innovation and accelerating the digitalization of workflows. ZWCAD provides solutions that help optimize processes, minimize resource waste, and adapt quickly to changing industry demands, so you can focus on shaping tomorrow today. With image vectorization, smart match, and similar search, we bring innovative AI-powered tools to ZWCAD, streamlining demanding workflows and elevating productivity. As costs and overheads keep rising, ZWCAD responds with perpetual flexible licensing options, putting you in control of your budget and upgrade cycle. From small details to grand visions, ZWCAD powers your creativity every step of the way. Experience the perfect blend of precision, performance, and innovation. ZWCAD. Design your ideas without limits and confidently shape the future. Visit ZWCAD.com to learn more.